Hello students, today we start that trial balance part 2 lecture. Okay. So now after that we are recording wages. Okay. So whatever wages we are paying in a financial year, that should be recorded here. Okay. After that wages, there is depreciation. Depreciation on factory building. Okay. Depreciation on factory building is recorded on trial balance debit side because it is an expense. Okay. So depreciation on factory building is recorded on trial balance debit side. After that, that is a damages. DEMURRAG. Okay. Now damages means that you pay penalty of late payment. Okay. It means that suppose if your order goods from Bombay. Okay, and your goods come in Ahmedabad, but the goods are coming first of all in transport company. Okay, from transport company you have to collect the goods. Okay, so in that case, suppose if you are not able to get, suppose the call is coming from transport company, your good is coming from Bombay, collect your goods. Uh, by chance you are busy in some work, okay, and you are not able to go there. In that case, the per day charges they are allowed, okay, on total bill, okay, and that charges is called damages, okay. Second one is that is the Dharmayo. Dharmayo means now see here wages is given daily on daily basis. Okay, when the labor is working in factory, the wages is given on daily wages. Okay, but some labor are very efficient and very hard workers. They are punctual in their works and their skills power is too much good. Okay, in that case, the laborers are paid on monthly basis. Otherwise, maximum laborers are paid on daily basis. Okay, but few laborers are extraordinary in works in their skills. Okay, so that's why the management decided the wages is given on monthly basis. Okay, so that wages is called dharmaya. Okay, the wages is monthly is giving on monthly basis. That is called dharmaya. Okay. Next one is, and that Dharma is recorded on trial balance debit side because it is an expense for the company. Okay, when we are paying wages on monthly basis, that is also expense for the company. Okay, then Kharajat expense. Okay, now Kharajat is an expense. Okay, Kharajat means wages or expenses are incurred on the goods due to wastage is called Kharajat expense. Okay, it means that suppose if you are sending goods from Ahmedabad to Bombay, that is a 5,000 kg of rice. Okay, okay, and 5,000 kg of rice is we if you put in some bags. Okay, and suppose by mistake the bag is not properly fitted. Okay, then the rice coming out from that bag. Okay, but the labor is not collecting the wastage rice, so whatever kg is received by the next party, they are giving payment on the same amount. इसका मतलब यह है कि यहाँ से जो आपका केजी यहाँ से लोड हुआ है, ओके, और उसमें से कुछ गिर गया है बिकॉज ऑफ वेस्टेज, ओके, तो सामने वाले को जितना केजी मिलेगा उतना ही का वो पैसा देगा. द डिफरेंस इज लॉस and that loss is recorded on trial balance debit side and that's called kharajat expenses. Okay. वारफ्रेज का मतलब यह है कि डिफरेंस ऑफ काउंटिंग इन केजी. ओके, सपोज अभी होता क्या है कि यहाँ पे सपोज काउंट किया. ओके, यहाँ पे 500 केजी आया, बट सपोज इफ वी सेंड द गुड्स टू वेस्ट बंगाल, अदरवाइज न्यू दिल्ली, अदरवाइज देन जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. ओके, in that case the second party is they are taking weight, but weight is around 498, तो 2 kg वहां पे कम निकला, अदरवाइज 1 kg वहां निकला, अदरवाइज 500 कम निकला. ओके, सो वॉट एवर kg they received on the same kg they are paying the amount difference that is lost for us. That's why it is recorded on trial balance debit side. Okay, after that depreciation on factory building. Okay, depreciation on plant and machinery. So this is also expense for the business. That's why it is recorded on trial balance debit side. Whatever depreciation on land, building, machinery. Okay, जितना भी सबका depreciation है वो trial balance debit side ही आने वाला है. Okay. Next one, uh, that is a salary already discussed. Okay. Then printing and stationery is also we already discussed. After that, that is a rent. Okay, suppose if your office is on rent and you are paying rent. Okay, rent is also expense for you. That's why it is recorded on trading account, trial balance debit side. Okay. Insurance premium. So you are taking insurance against your property. Against that, you have to pay premium. There is also expense for the business. That's why it is recorded on trial balance debit side. Next one is taxes. If any tax you pay, okay, example GST, whatever, okay, it is an expense for the firm, otherwise company. That should be recorded on debit side of trial balance. Next one, that is a stationery and printing already discussed. Then legal fee, legal expense. Okay, legal expense means so whatever agreement is going on with the dealers, okay, company and dealers, otherwise dealers and customers, okay, whatever agreement and whatever legal procedure is going on, against that any amount is paid. That is called legal expenses. Okay, so legal expense is also expense for the business, and that's why it is recorded on debit side of trial balance. Okay. Audit fees. Audit fees means is an expense for the company, and that is a that should be recorded on debit side of trial balance. Audit fee means whatever account you return. Okay, that was checked by the account चार्टर अकाउंटेंट. ओके, आपने जो अकाउंट लिखा है वो सही या गलत है, वो कौन चेक करेगा? चार्टर अकाउंटेंट. ओके, बिकॉज इनकम टैक्स पीपल दे आर नो टाइम. ओके, उनके पास इतना टाइम नहीं है कि आपके सारे अकाउंट्स वेरीफाई करेंगे सही लिखा है गलत लिखा है. ओके, the authority is given to the chartered accountant. Okay, the government the government giving authority to chartered accountant कि आपने जो अकाउंट लिखा है वो सही है गलत है, चेक बाय द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. ओके, उसके बाद वो आपको वेरीफाई करके लास्ट में सर्टिफिकेट इशू करेगा कि भाई ये जो अकाउंट है ये मैंने चेक किया है और इसमें कोई गड़बड़ नहीं. ओके, दैट सर्टिफिकेट इशू बाय द चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड इट शुड बी सबमिटेड विद द बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट्स इन इनकम टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट. ओके, तो आपको उसके साथ में ये आपका जो सर्टिफिकेट भी आपको अटैच करना है. ओके, कि आपका ऑडिट किसने किया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंसेस. आपका जो ऑफिस होगा, फैक्ट्री होगा, तो डेफिनेटली लाइट बिल तो होगा ही. ओके, सो लाइट बिल ऑल्सो एक्सपेंस फॉर द company. Okay, that's why it is recorded on debit side of trial balance. After that, mobile that is a mobile bill, otherwise telephone bill. Okay, nowadays we are using more mobile than compared to landline. Okay, so offices होगा, office में landline होगा ही. Okay, but all the managers then executives they are using mobiles. Okay, and all the connections of that mobile are paid by the कंपनी. ओके, तो जितने भी आपके एम्प्लॉयज होंगे, सीईओ हो, चाहे वो मैनेजर हो, चाहे वो एग्जीक्यूटिव हो, चाहे वो प्रोडक्शन मैनेजर हो, तो उनका जो मोबाइल का जो ऑफिशियल जो एक्सपेंसेस है दैट इज पेड बाय इफ पेड बाय द कंपनी. इफ पेड बाय द कंपनी देन इट इज recorded on debit side of trial balance. Okay, next one that is a carriage outward. Okay, carriage outward means when we sold the goods. When we sold the goods at that time, whatever transportation expense we are paid, that is called carriage outward. Okay. After that, contribution to provident fund. Okay. Now what is provident fund? वो होता क्या है कि जो एम्प्लॉय होते हैं, ओके, आफ्टर 60 वो काम नहीं कर सकते. ओके, बराबर है. तो आफ्टर 60 वो क्या करेंगे? तो उनके पास एक बड़ा अमाउंट होना चाहिए. पूरी लाइफ उन्होंने कंपनी में जॉब की है, तो आफ्टर 60 वो सपोज फिजिकली काम नहीं कर सकते, तो उनके पास कुछ ना कुछ बैलेंस होना चाहिए. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई वहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलता है, बेनिफिट मिलता है. दैट इज प्रूडेंट फंड टू द इट इज बेसिकली इट इज वेलफेयर फॉर द एम्प्लॉय. ओके, तो ये जो कंपनी होती है जिनके पास 20 से ज्यादा, ओके, 19 या 20 से ज्यादा जो एम्प्लॉय हो, तो वहां पे आपको कंपल्सरी पीएफ काटना ही है. ओके, the 50% amounts given by the company and 50% amounts is deducted from the salary. Okay, and that both amount is together deposited in the PF office. And PF PF is a government body, and they are giving 9 to 12% interest. Okay, nowadays it is a 9.25 something. Okay, but in past it is around 11 to 12%, but nowadays it is reduced. Okay, so that interest is also added in our account. So after 60 years we are receiving big amount. Okay, in the at that time the employee is not working properly. Okay, so he get the some amount, and with the help of that amount he survive easily. Okay, so that's why provident fund is the welfare for the employee, and that is the expense for the company. Okay, that's why it is recorded on trial balance debit side. Next one, that is a commission of salesman. Okay, so whatever, how many salesmen you have? Okay, so all the salesmen getting salary every month. So salary is also expense for the company. That's why it is record on debit side of trial balance plus commission. If commission is giving on sales, that also commission plus incentive, whatever. Okay, that all are the expenses for the company, and that should be record on debit side of trial balance. Okay. Next one is that is a discount allowed. Okay, discount allowed means when we are selling the goods. Okay, in that case we are giving the discount. Okay, and when we are purchasing the goods, in that case we are receiving the discount. Okay, so discount allowed means it is an expense for the company. That's why it is recorded on debit side of trial balance. Okay, after that, next one is advertisement. Okay, now advertisement has huge expense. Suppose if you're MNC company and if you're giving ad on television, okay, so television ad cost is too much high. Okay, and it is repeated in a single day on different channels. Okay, so advertise is huge expense for the MNC, and suppose it is a local company or otherwise nationalized company, then also advertise is the big expense. Okay, so it is an expense for the company. That's why it is debited in trial balance. Okay, after that, that is a go down expense. Okay, so when you are running your own company, okay, तो गोडाउन तो होगा. ओके, गोडाउन में आपका जो स्टॉक है फिनिश गुड्स है उसको रखेंगे. सो इफ योर ओन गोडाउन, ओके, तो उस पर टैक्स आता होगा. ओके, प्रॉपर्टी टैक्स आता होगा. तो वॉट एवर एक्सपेंस यू आर पेइंग अगेंस्ट दैट, ओके, दैट शुड बी ऑन डेबिटेड इन ट्रायल बैलेंस. ओके, शोरूम एक्सपेंस, आपका जो कंपनी होगा तो कंपनी का खुद का शोरूम होगा. ओके, तो कंपनी का खुद का शोरूम होगा तो उसका जो पूरा आपको जो every day you have to clean that mirror, etc., you have to make a manager of showroom. Okay, then accountant of showroom, then sales department in showroom. Okay, तो वो सारा जो expense है that should be debited in trial balance. Okay, उसके बाद next one, whatever capital you brought your own, otherwise you're brought from outside. Okay, that should be debited in trial balance, and that is called interest on capital. Okay, interest on capital means suppose if you started business by own capital, against that you receive the interest because owner and books of account both are different, company and owner both are different. Okay, so whatever capital is brought by the person to the business, the business return the interest, that is called interest on capital. Okay, so that is an expense for the business, and that should be recorded on debit side of trial balance. Next one is suppose if you are taking loan from bank for your expansion of business, otherwise you're introducing some new product. Okay, against that you need money. In that case, so whatever amount we taken from outside, against that you are paying interest. Okay, that is also expense for the company, and that should be debited in your trial balance. Okay. After that, bank charges. Okay, so whatever charges you paid to the bank, so that is also expense for the business, and that's why it is record on trial balance debit side. Okay. Next one, that is a commission. Okay, if any commissions paid by you, okay, so that should be recorded here. Okay. Then donation. Donation means donation in form of goods, in form of cash, whatever donation you paid, that is expense for the company. That should be recorded on debit side of trial balance. Depreciation on assets. Okay, so land, building, machinery, whatever. Okay, depreciation is there. It should be debited on trial balance. Bad debt. Okay, bad debt. All of you know what is bad debt. Okay, bad debt means amount not recovered from the debtors is called bad debt. Okay, and bad debt is a loss for the company, and all the expenses and losses is debited to trial balance. Okay, so that's why it is record on debit side of trial balance. Okay, next one is that is a loss by fire. Okay, if there is any loss by fire, it should be recorded on debit side debit side of trial balance. Okay, loss by fire, loss by theft, whatever. Okay, so in this video I am including only this much. Next, that is part 3, it is for assets. Okay, assets and remaining expenses whatever there. Okay, thanks a lot.